3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3.
And there goes Matthew Gurley, ladies and gentlemen, a massive 152 seconds penalty there. Give us a great on board. 16 time early, 29 seconds. He's got his work done out. It's possible for Matthew Gurley to get up the week. If you keep on, you better have a very good think about his capabilities. He's big, he's efficient, he's hungry, he's a big climbing machine, man. Everyone is down on the turf. Up goes Matthew Gurley on the top four. General, ladies and gentlemen, he needs encouragement. Let's have a look at these guys. Top Bergersen, the first man up top. You've got to finish the top three if you want to go into the grand final of this competition. Then we have Meyer on train number 3. Michael Shanley having a good look around to see what's going on. And he's breaking the board, but he's probably a little bit out of contention at this stage of the game. Don't mind going to that second ball hole there on the reverse side. And Tom Bergersen on train number 5. Should not be headed. Meyer up the top. Let's have a look at Gurr. He's on the ground, ladies and gentlemen. Action hand, action ball, up the road. He's waiting for no time on to go. Zero on the little ball, and the Gurr leads the encouragement. So is Tom Bergersen for him to win. Visiting Aston for WA. He's tiring though. Bergersen is tiring. He needs to go up again. I reckon he's got that line to come off. It's going to take an easy win. Second Gurr places up the bag. He's in Gurr's side. He's going to have this time off the rest of the field. He's certainly capable of probably getting very close to running them out, that's for sure. Meyer coming well, Shadow now, right on the top down, tree number 2. He's putting some hits in there, he's going to get some pace happening. Gurr's up there, bottom corner removed from safety ring. Meyer line, the ground will come right off. That's getting close to what we would have thought before. Not sure if Gurr can make it at this stage, he's going to need to work pretty hard. And it's going to be close. Meyer has that second place. Meyer's got that third place, and that's good. He's going to take full as that third ball gets smashed with it as it comes down. And Matthew Gurr is going to take that full. So we're going to the 5th place there, Gurr. Let's not look at it.